Master the art of woodworking. Top 5 tips and tricks for beginners. Woodworking is a timeless craft that allows individuals to create functional and artistic pieces from raw timber. For beginners, it might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and a passion for learning, anyone can master the art of woodworking. In this video, we will explore the top 5 tips and tricks that can help beginners embark on their woodworking journey with confidence and creativity. Invest in quality tools. The foundation of any woodworking endeavor lies in the tools you use. Invest in high-quality tools like chisels, saws, planes, and measuring instruments. Quality tools not only ensure precision but also enhance safety. Understand wood types. Different wood species have unique characteristics, including grain patterns, hardness, and color. Understanding these traits is essential for selecting the right wood for your projects. Beginners should start with softer woods like pine and progress to harder ones as their skills improve. Safety first. Safety should be your top priority in woodworking. Always wear safety goggles, ear protection, and a dust mask. Familiarize yourself with the proper usage of tools, and keep your workspace clean and well lit to avoid accidents. Learn the basics of joinery. Mastering basic joinery techniques such as dovetail, mortise and tenon, and biscuit joints is fundamental to woodworking. These techniques provide strength and stability to your creations. There are numerous online tutorials and books dedicated to teaching joinery to beginners. Practice proper woodworking techniques. Learn the correct way to cut, shape, and join wood. Practice these techniques diligently to enhance your skills. Start with simple projects and gradually progress to more complex ones as you gain confidence and expertise. In conclusion, mastering the art of woodworking is a fulfilling journey that demands dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. By investing in quality tools, understanding wood types, prioritizing safety, mastering joinery techniques, planning your projects, being patient, seeking guidance, finishing your projects properly, and practicing regularly, you can become a skilled woodworker. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and let your creativity flow as you create beautiful, functional pieces that showcase your passion for woodworking. Happy woodworking!